got me at a low. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
There's the Easter Bunny. So right now we are at the mall, and I'm with my cousin Steven, and my dad, and Nina, and Bernie, and my mom, and Alea. They're over there. And we hit 50,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. And that is why we are at the mall, because we are going to a store, and we have a special video for you guys. And can't explain how happy I am that we got 50,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. And yeah, I guess see when we get into the store.
There's Bernie and Nina.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure what's going on. Try that again.
I think the store's up there.
Yep.
Alea, I see you.
There we go.
I see
Alea.
If you look up, you can see all of us.
Oh, hello. Is this real gold?
24 karat. Just kidding.
24 karat magic in the
And we're
Fish market.
back again. It's working this time. Last time it wasn't working.
Let's get a penny. Let's get a penny.
See if I have pennies.
Burger's open this time. Yeah. Maybe we do the burger. Too bad we already ate. All I ever want to do is eat.
Alright guys.
Here's the quarters.
Share it with them.
No dimes.
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, look. 2, 4, 6. Okay, yeah, you're right. Give to your sister. Make a wish.
Make a wish. Ready?
Make 2 wishes?
Yeah, make 2 wishes. 1 wish at a time.
Make a wish and throw it in. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's my second.
Let's see if Bernie a penny.
Can you do 2 of the same wishes?
Look at him. He wants a penny
Give
too.
your penny to Bernie. Oh, you're so nice, Steven.
Throw it in.
Throw it in. Good job.
Yay!
You make a wish?
I want to touch the pennies at the bottom.
All right, come on, let's go, buddy. Kind of, alright. That's more like a ninja kick.
Alright, here goes Daddy. Alright guys, so here we are. This is where our video is today. For you guys. These right here. These smell so good, guys. What are they? Squishies? Assorted donuts.
I like that.
They used to have the Squishies over here, but I think they moved them.
Maybe they moved.
What is this? Mad Matter?
He's in front of the book.
Alright guys, so this is why we're here.
Steven, look.
Squishies!
Steven.
There they are. And right here, there's some unicorn poop.
I know that.
Are they both the same?
Oh, I want to get this rainbow glow.
That's the glow dough.
Yeah, Rubik's Cubes all over here.
Rubik's Cube City.
What about the triangle ones?
Look, I like this one.
Mommy, can I get the pyramid? I always wanted that.
Aaron's thinking, Cuddy.
It's the Pyraminx.
It's a mega mix. All kids are big.
This one right here, that one looks really hard to do.
I always wanted this one.
I know, you have the
Oh, here, I found one.
square one. You found a squishy? Where'd you find them? Okay, so there's some right here. What is this? Mars mud? This is kind of like the planet putty, glow-in-the-dark Mars mud.
Is this the one you have, Steven?
Yeah. Oh, look, you gotta be kidding me.
There's more unicorn poop,
See, look, 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 okay. Steven, would you rather get a
squishies.
Oh man.
You can use these to make what? Crunchy slime?
No, it's called rubber band slime.
Rubber band slime?
Guys, look, I always wanted this.
I know you have your square one.
The triangle is my favorite one.
Here's the loci bracelets.
Are those the real ones or the fake ones?
They're the real ones.
Oh, how much are they?
They are $12.99 each. Where's Maya?
Well, then they're the fake ones.
No, look, water from Mount Everest. Sometimes you're on top of the world, stay humble. Mud from the Dead Sea. Sometimes you've hit a low, stay hopeful. So these are the real ones.
Oh, wow.
And they have like the knockoff ones at Walmart that Maya had.
They're usually like 50 for the real ones. They must be on sale then.
Yeah, these are the real ones.
Oh my god.
And then these ones right here are Pura Vida bracelets. I've never heard of those. Yeah, those are cool.
What the?
We have to go show these to Maya. They have these dinosaur squishimals. Are they squishy? Alea, are they squishy? They're called squishimals. Are they squishy?
Yep.
They have Pusheen. What are these? Are these squishies? No, they're mini plush surprise boxes. And then they have the cat. Not the cat, obviously. They have the book. And they have the big plushies. Some little keychains. It's cute. Slime. Like different colors. It's like gold. Alright, do you guys want to pick some out for our subbies? Alright, so let's pick a couple of these ones out. Let's see. The bear doesn't have oh, this one's cute. The little cake. That one's really cute.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't it cute?
As you guys may know, one of the special things we're doing for 50,000 subscribers is shopping for Squishies for a Squishy giveaway. So I'm going to show you guys what's in this bag.
So these are the squishies that will be in the squishy giveaway since we don't have any other stores really that sell squishies like name brand squishies. These ones are going to be the ones in the giveaway. So this one is a jumbo flower puff bun. So that'll be the first one. So the next one is just this little kawaii squeezy. It's a bear. And then we have this jumbo bread bun. This one's funny, huh? I think he looks funny. This one is a jumbo I don't really, let's see. Jumbo Shakupan Man. So that's what this one is.
And guys, we're not going to squish them because they're not ours.
Yeah, we're not going to squish them because they're your squishies.
Mooncake.
And this one is a mooncake. Yep.
I love this one.
And then this one is a jumbo cream puff.
This one's a tofu.
Yeah, this is how it came, just like this. And this one is a tofu.
Tofu bun. Panda bun.
And this one is a mini panda bun with a red bow. Hi, baby.
Oh.
Say hi. Look at Nina. So the next one is a jumbo donut.
That's a donut?
Yep. Wow. And that one is a turtle, mini turtle.
If you guys get this, you're lucky because I have it.
Alea has that one and she loves it. Hold on, babe. Look, she's showing them the squishies.
I have this.
And this one is that's not an ice cream. It's like
a popsicle ice cream.
Popsicle, creamsicle type of thing with sprinkles. And the next one is this ice cream cone.
This one's the last one.
And then the last one is this little cupcake, which, do you have this or does Maya? Maya has this and it's very squishy, guys. These little ones are so squishy and slow rising. You're gonna really love them. We love them.
And a bag.
Yeah, and the bag. So these are all the squishies right here. I think there's like 13 or 14. All right, guys, so here is an overview of all of the squishies that are going to be in this giveaway. And what we want you guys to do is on this video, in this comment section, the rules are to leave a comment saying enter me and the way that you would like us to get a hold of you, whether it be on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whichever way is the best way for us to get a hold of you. If you're the winner, leave it with your comment that says enter me. So you have to be subscribed, obviously. Leave in the comments enter me with your contact information, and you could follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well to get some extra points, of course, but if you don't have them, then that's okay. And give this video a thumbs up. So that's pretty easy. That's all you have to do to enter this giveaway. We're so excited about it and we hope you guys are too. There they are. And like we said, that's just one of the things, of the few things that we are doing to celebrate our 50,000 subscribers.
We almost forgot to add that if you want more extra points for the giveaway, you can follow me and Alea on Musical.ly. Mine is at it's Maya Ray, it's with a Z, and Alea's it's it's Alea with an S, and they will always be in the link below.